Hi, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can start your very own faceless YouTube channel, focusing on creating African stories. The best part, you will get inspiration from rich and diverse culture across Africa. Now before we continue, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the exciting content I will be uploading. If you're new here, my name is called Mose Wamkota. I do post twice a week on tips and tricks on how to make money online. And as always, remember, Mose loves you. As you have noticed, storytelling channels are thriving in terms of views. And the more views you get, the more money you can make. So let's get started on your journey to creating captivating stories. Now to create our story, first we need a title. Let's give ChatGPT a prompt to help us brainstorm. Now we will give ChatGPT a prompt like this. Give us 5 best title ideas for animated YouTube video series featuring oak stories from Luya culture. Then ChatGPT will do its job. Now ChatGPT has given us first title. The first title is Forbidden Birth of Og Land. The next one is Feast Day of Og, a tale of Luya legend. The Hunter and the Hunted, Luya Oga Saga. Now for this example, let's pick number 3. The Hunter and the Hunted, a Luya Og Saga. Now we shall pick this number 3 and then ask ChatGPT to write for us a story. After ChatGPT has written this story for us, we shall take this story and then put somewhere safe. For example, Google Docs. And we shall use this story later. Now to bring our story to life, we will use AI to generate stunning visuals. And we shall use same ChatGPT to create prompts for us for each scene. Now once ChatGPT has given us these prompts, we shall head over to designer.microsoft. Paste the prompts from ChatGPT to generate your scenes. Then we shall download the images to our device. Now it is time to edit. CapCut is a fantastic free tool, or you can use your preferred software. You can use Canva, you can use shortcuts, you can use Wondershare. It depends on which software or app you prefer. Now for voiceover, if you are in a noisy environment, consider using voiceover generators like 11 Labs, or you can record your own voice using the same CapCut. Now for the perfect background music, search YouTube for non-copyright storytelling music and download the track using a tool like Y2MP3. Now it is time to start editing. Now the first thing first, for example, if you are using CapCut, the first thing that you need to do is that you need to take those downloaded images into your app. Then you will go to audio, then pick those audio that you generated via using 11 Labs or the one that you recorded, then bring it to this app called CapCut. This voiceover will help you to create scenes because you will be following these voiceovers to create a fantastic flow of your storyline. And make sure to give this AI more prompts to generate stunning images for your project and download as many as possible so that when it comes to editing, you will have good material. Now on editing, don't make one scene long. You need to make shorter scenes to keep the viewer engaged. That's why I told you that you need to download as many AI images as possible. Once you have edited your video, you need a background music. And to do this, you need to pick that background music from your phone and then bring it to this app. Then edit it together. Once you have finished editing, you can now export your project. Now, once you have exported your project, another good thing that you are going to do is to create a YouTube channel. Now, to create a YouTube channel, we shall be using ChatGPT. We shall ask ChatGPT to give us 10 unique channel names for our African folk tale stories. Then ChatGPT will give us these 10 names. You can pick the one that interests you. Upload your video and let YouTube algorithm do its magic. Now remember, when creating these types of stories, you need to do a deeper research. When generating AI images for your stories, you need to avoid themes like murder, rape, or fighting because these topics are sensitive to YouTube. Just make a story that cannot hurt anybody because YouTube is considered a safer place for everybody. It's considered a safer place for any audience. You can learn more on YouTube community guideline to avoid strikes and demonetization of your channel. So make sure to avoid these themes. Another thing is that try to use your own voiceover. This will bring authenticity in your story. You will know where you can put humor, you will know where you can put sadness, and all kinds of stuffs. And remember, YouTube loves new, fresh, and unique content. So make sure to do fresh and new content. Now to get monetized on YouTube, you will just need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 365 days. Once you qualify for monetization threshold, Google will send you an AdSense pin, and that pin you will be putting it into your Google AdSense. Then you will be receiving payment from 21st to 26th of every month. Now the secret here is consistency and persistence. The more video you upload, the more money you get. Now with these stories, you are not only sharing African culture, but also you are paving a way to your success. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. As always, Mose loves you. God bless you. Until the next time, bye.
Luya village nestled deep within a lush, mysterious forest. The villagers tell tales of fearsome ogre that haunts the nearby wilderness. A creature known for its cunning and appetite for destruction. Despite the dangers, a group of skilled hunters from the village is determined to end the ogre's reign. They gathered under the leadership of Muhisa, a brave and a wise elder, and set out a perilous journey to locate the ogre's lair. Along the way, they encountered strange symbols and traps that hints at the ogre's intelligence and power. As they draw closer to the lair, tension rises, and the hunters realize that they are not just hunting, the ogre is also hunting them.